What up, YouTube? It's your boy KG, that boy Y10. Clark Street shut down, King. At least status. Shouty, man. What's going on? What's going on? As you can see, we got another upgrade, another present for the SS. Y'all see what they say. Finally ordered my Borla exhaust. Let's open this thing up. Okay, got the box open. Let's see what we got here. Sound like heaven, go like hell. Alright. That's instructions on how to install it. Let me give you a hat. That's what's up. As much as this damn thing costs, shit, I need more than a hat. Those are some of the pieces for it. Not gonna pull everything out right now because I'm not getting it installed at the moment, but here's one of the mufflers. See that? Borla Atak. This is the full catback system with the built-in X pipe. So honestly, man, I can't wait to hear how it sounds. When I was considering what exhaust I wanted for my Camaro, you know, at first I thought about Flowmaster because that's what I have on my other car. But, you know, wanted to step it up some, and Borla is one of the best from what I hear. Especially this type. Because I was doing a lot of research and watching a lot of videos on the different type of Borla exhaust. And I like this one the best. So next step is getting it installed.